Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. Today, I want y'all to join me and help me to make Rosie's family famous seafood bowl. There's going to be 5 ingredients with a little butter, a little seasoning, and my friend, the Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. My family is all too familiar with my seafood bowl, and they all tell me they love it. I started out preparing this about a year ago in the oven, and of course, as usual, I thought to myself, I think I can cook that in the Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. And once I started cooking it in the turkey fryer, that's the only way the family wants it. So without further ado, let's get started. A regular old aluminum bowl that you get from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, and you get like a pack of 3 of these for $1. The ingredients. First thing I do, corn and potatoes. I pre-boil these for about 30 minutes just to soften the potatoes up, because it only takes shrimp about 15 or 20 minutes to get ready, so I want to go ahead and get these a head start. So the first thing we're going to do is take a corn on the cob. We're going to put it right in the center of the bowl. Go ahead and, I guess we'll go ahead and fix both at the same time. The double men twins, double the truck. Alright, put that right in the middle of the bowl. Next thing we want to do, we're going to take the potatoes, and we can cut the potatoes up or we can leave them whole. I'm going to use my little cutting board that I created. You want to see how that works? You can go to my other YouTube video. It shows you how I put my little cutting board together. And I love this thing. Alright, we're going to put potatoes in the bowl, and let's go ahead and put 2 potatoes since they're rather small. That. All right. Next, let's go ahead and put some sausage. Should already have these open. I use the sausage that's filled with green onions. Take these. We'll take the sausage, and we're going to cut it up into about 1/2 inch chunks. Alright, put the sausage in here. About 8 to 10 each bowl. I didn't put any potatoes in my other bowl, did I? Y'all gotta keep me straight. I'm trying to get ahead of myself. I don't like this video to be too long, but sometimes I get in a bit of a hurry. Potato, go ahead and put 2 in that one. You see how soft these potatoes are? Because I went ahead and pre-boiled them, and I leave the skin on. I like them that way. Alright, go ahead and dump our sausage in here. Now, the fun starts. Shrimp. I got medium shrimp. They're already peeled, deveined, the tail on, and they're already cooked. That's why it only takes about 20 minutes in the Big Easy for this meal to be ready to go. There you go. Last but not least, crab delight. I use imitation crab meat. used all of this, so go ahead and cut this puppy open. Sprinkle in your crab meat liberally. All right. Now, we'll take a little oil. We're going to spray that in there liberally. Butter. You can never have too much butter when it comes to seafood and corn and potatoes. I use the Irish unsalted butter. Take me a big chunk of that, a big old heaping heaping of butter, and dab that right in the middle. A chunk of butter for the other one. Take that, dump it right on in there. Cut it up if you want, spread it out. Dump that right on in there. All right, here comes the grand finale. This is crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil, Louisiana style. I use this accent bar. We don't use accent anymore because it was supposedly full of MSG or whatever the case may be. So I took this container and I filled it with that so I could sprinkle it over my seafood bowl liberally. And you sprinkle this on there liberally. I mean a lot. Make sure you get all the shrimp covered, corn covered, potatoes, butter, boom. Now, should already have my big heavy turned on and heated up. Let's go ahead and turn this baby on. Here she is. Now, these aluminum containers come with this little kind of paper cover, but believe it or not, this thing holds up well in the Big Easy. Simply take the cover, fold these over, like so. Boom, seal that in. Do the same thing with the other one. Take your cover, put it over the top, seal that in. Now, before that gets too hot, I already have it. Side. Now, as you recall, I keep this secondary container in my Big Easy at all times. But I cut it. If you visit one of my previous videos, you'll see where I modified my Big Easy basket. So now I have a slot. I can slide this one in underneath, put this one in on top, and I also have a third where if I chose to, I could put 3 of these in. Simply take this, drop it in the Big Easy. I said we come back about 30 minutes later with the spoon or fork or utensil of your choice and get busy. Bad news. Of the Rosie's seafood bowl, this is literally all that's left. A half a bowl. My son didn't realize I was making a YouTube video. He took one, and my wife was getting ready to go to work and she took half of this one. That's how good they are. And as you can see, Fitzgerald circling the wagons. Y'all take care. Hey, and don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down. And if you did like it, be sure to subscribe and hit the old like. I guess I'll enjoy what's left of my seafood bowl. Peace.